hopefully. Randomize once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and 5. We have Luke on the top and Jack on the bottom. 2. Alrighty, so that's all updated there. And then I guess we just open them up and see how we go. Okay, cool. I do need to swap the screen. Yeah.
You just open them and I'll help you out for the next bit.
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, no.
You can just click the transition button when you're in studio mode.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Good luck. Yes, good luck. I'm hoping we see some cool ones, but we will see. Oh, okay. It just shows it to you straight off the bat. Amazing. Okay. First one is Readurance. It's a very cute signature. Or Katie Cartwheel as Readurance, 35 of 50. Yeah. It looks like there's a smiley face in the O. That makes me very happy. Hang on, which way was it? Was it this way? I hope so. Oh, no, other way. We have Cursenton, which is Carrie Jones. Very nice. Is that from... Oh, Book of Boba Fett. Okay, nice. I was like, that's from one of the series. We have Sefton Vanix, which is from Joseph Alton autograph from Star Wars The Rise of Skywalker. Did it again. We have Lara Urso, which is Feline Kane as Lara Urso, and that is numbered at 20 of 25. And then our last one. Oh. We have Edgeroad Two Tubes, which is David Accord. Very nice. Lots of like modern ones, which I guess is what you should expect. But, nice mix. Is there a pen nearby?
Oh, Rob, you got a pen.
I believe so. Thank you.